Hi, I'm Dr. Aditi Gupta. I'm a dermatologist and I do practice at Trivisha Clinic, Yamuna Vihar. Today, I'm going to talk about a very important topic, that is post-COVID hair fall. These days, I'm seeing the patients with increased hair fall, sudden increased hair fall, and they have a history of recent COVID contact 2 to 3 months back. This is known as the telogen effluvium. Hair have an important role in our life. Each one of us wants to look good. That's why we get tensed if we have hair fall. We should understand that hair have a cosmetic role in our life. So if we get stressed, our hair won't get enough oxygen supply. Like if we are getting stressed, our most important organs like our lungs, heart, they will get enough blood supply, but hair being the least important organ, it won't get enough blood supply, and this causes, when the stress is over, this causes the hair to fall off, which we see as a sudden hair loss, that is more than 100 hairs per day, also known as telogen effluvium. So after stress, the hair goes into a telogen phase, and which we see as a hair shedding, known as telogen effluvia. I would like to tell you that this phase is a reversible phase. It is only for a short duration of time. The hairs are going to fall in telogen effluvium for a span of 3 to 6 months. Treatment will only decrease the duration of the hair fall, but also some important things which I would like you to know, like a proper diet. Apart from treatment by a dermatologist for hair fall, I would like you to know that proper diet also plays an important role in controlling the hair fall. Adequate sleep of 7 to 8 hours is also necessary. Then exercise improves the blood supply to the hair, skin and other organs of the body. That also will help in decreasing the hair fall, and also a positive attitude towards it will decrease the hair fall. If you are taking too much of the stress of hair fall, then this stress will also add further to the hair fall. It won't decrease your hair fall, it will add further. So please don't take stress of the hair fall. This is only a very reversible phase. The hair fall is, it is gonna be in control after a period of time. And I would like to tell you, please don't change your shampoos or lotions so frequently because you are experiencing the hair fall, because it can only add to the damage to the hair. Also, please understand, hair fall in telogen effluvium, the hair is only falling. The roots are intact, so new hair will grow after a period of time. Please do not take so much stress. And at the end, I would like to say, कोविड में लोगों ने बहुत कुछ करा है, तो ये तो सिर्फ बाल ही है, ये तो उग जाएंगे. Stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.